Hi guys, I hope you're doing well today. Today we are going to attempt to make the famous Starbucks pumpkin cream chai tea latte. Okay, so we went to Target yesterday. No, not yesterday. We went to Target a couple days ago, and it was just such a lovely time because if you looked in my previous video when we went to Target, I purchased, or well, Simon purchased some cool pillows from Target, and one was like a mushroom pillow and a pumpkin pillow. But anyway, and this whole time I was like wanting to build this wonderful aesthetic, this whole thing where I'm like, I'm walking through Target, I have my pumpkin cream latte, whatever, I don't know. So when I went there, I realized that the drink wasn't vegan, like the drink wasn't plant-based. Simon is strictly vegan because he has a milk allergy. But for me, sometimes I like to dabble a little bit and try to taste things to see if I could like recreate it. And essentially that's what I'm doing today. So when I went there, I tried to drink. Oh my God. You guys, it is so good. It's like very decadent. It's very sweet, but it's also very like, very good. Very good. It is like way too sweet though. So today what my plan is to try to recreate the drink, but have it in such a way where it's not so sweet and it kind of balances itself out in its flavor profile. And I am so excited, and I'm glad that you clicked on this video. So let's go into this journey and try to make this drink at home so we can save some money. Okay, so I pulled up the app and I am looking at the ingredients. So I feel like, have you guys ever watched Bon Appetit with Claire from like circa like 2019, 2020? Like how she tries to recreate stuff. I feel like I'm Claire right now. I need to channel Claire energy. Anyway, okay. So the ingredients is long. It's milk, ice, pumpkin spice cream, vanilla sweet cream, cream which is mono and ice. Water, sugar, natural flavors, pumpkin spice sauce, sugar, this cream milk, pumpkin puree, maltose, potassium sorbate, chocolate concentrate, infusion water, cardamom, black pepper, ginger, cinnamon cloves, natural flavors, sardines, which I don't have sardines, but sugar, honey, ginger juice, without interesting, but technically you can take more than ginger, natural flavors, vanilla, citric acid, pumpkin spice sauce, ginger, cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. Okay, we can do this. We can do this, right? We can do this. Okay, let's get started. I can see the All right, let's get started. So right here, what I'm doing is peeling ginger. I don't even think it's necessary to peel ginger. I've read different studies that say you don't have to peel it, but I just peeled it anyway. Do what you want. It's a free world. Now you're chopping up the ginger and just making sure that it's chopped pretty finely because I just want to get that yummy ginger taste in the water. And I'm adding it to this cute little saucepan I got from Aldi. How cute is it? It's so adorable. And I added a half a cup of water and 2/3 cup of sugar. The reason why I did this was because Starbucks said that one of the ingredients was ginger juice, and I was like, oh, okay. So now I boiled it for 5 minutes and I strained it with a strainer. Now I'm adding 2 cups of water. And I now grabbed my mortar and pestle and adding all of the yummy spices like cardamom and also some cinnamon. And you can also add a star anise if you have it. I didn't have any, unfortunately. And now I'm just pounding down the spices so that all the flavors can be infused into the water. And after that, I took it to the stove. I also opened up a tea bag. I don't know if that's necessary, but I kind of feel like the flavors can bloom more if the tea bag is open. So that's my reason for doing it. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, a pumpkin, and then a half a tablespoon of vanilla. and I grated some nutmeg and cinnamon. And now I'm adding the oat milk. It's Chobani oat milk. It's that extra creamy oat milk. You guys, chef's kiss. That stuff is amazing. And I took my little IKEA blender. That thing comes in handy too. I use it all the time. Anyway, so I took my IKEA blender and I'm just blending everything together, kind of frothing it, making it nice and creamy. And seriously, I could not hardly tell a difference between the cream part that was vegan and wasn't. It's really good, you guys. It's really good. And so now I'm straining the pumpkin cream mixture, and this is actually a pretty important step because the pumpkin is kind of grainy, and so believe me, you want to strain it. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. I love this mug. Okay, so now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of the ginger mixture and adding my pumpkin cream. It's so pretty. The whipped cream on top, which is amazing. I also added honey too. I think I edited it out, but I added honey too and stirred it up before I added the pumpkin cream. So just remember that. Now the light dusting of nutmeg and cinnamon. Yay! Oh my gosh. So when this was completed, I was super excited about it. I think it's so beautiful and it matches the decor. Isn't that awesome? I am so excited to try this. Okay. I put it on a pretty platter. Isn't it pretty? It is so good. It's so good. I like it a lot because it's not super sweet. Like it's not super sweet like at Starbucks, but it does have, you can taste the pumpkin flavors and the cinnamon and the cloves and the chai. I love the nutmeg on top. That's like such a good like flavor. Like that's such a good taste. And I feel like I probably could put more that ginger syrup in it actually. I only put like 3 teaspoons, or 3, it's like a regular spoon, so I don't know if a regular spoon is a teaspoon or a tablespoon. But anyway, oh my gosh. It's super good, very rich. It's very creamy too. What helps is the oat milk whipped cream. That helped a lot. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you tried a drink. So happy. He's like, ooh, I'm happy that you're trying me. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I will talk to you soon. Bye. For you.